Tricky questions asked in IAS UPSC interview. Question number 1. Where is the first university of handicapped in India? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Jagadguru Rambhadracharya Handicapped University is a university in Chitrakoot, Uttar Pradesh in India. It is the first university in India and the world which is only for disabled people. Question number 2. Who started the first newspaper in India? Answer: Hickey's Bengal Gazette was the first English language newspaper published from Kolkata and indeed the first printed newspaper to be published in the Indian subcontinent. It was the first major newspaper in India, started in 1780. It was published for 2 years. The founder of Hickey's Bengal Gazette was James Augustus Hickey, a highly eccentric Irishman who had previously spent 2 years in jail for debt. Question number 3. Why is doctor's handwriting so bad? Answer: Doctors have done a lot of studies before becoming a doctor. They have passed many exams in very short time. They write a lot in less time to save time. That's why their handwriting becomes so bad that people can't understand. Doctors have to look for more patients in a short time. For this reason, writing their prescriptions quickly, their writing gets worse. Question number 4. Where is the first university in modern India founded? Answer: Kolkata or Kolkata University. The University of Kolkata is a public state university located in Kolkata, West Bengal. It was the first institution in Asia to be established as a multidisciplinary and secular Western style university. The first Chancellor and Vice Chancellor of the Calcutta were Governor General Lord Canning and Chief Justice of the Supreme Court Sir James William Colville, respectively. In 1858, Jaddunath Bose and Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay became the first graduates of the university. Question number 5. Which fruit is called the queen of fruits? Answer: mangosteen. Question number 6. Who is known as father of information technology? Answer: Claude J. Elwood Shannon. Question number 7. Why school bus color is yellow? Answer: yellow is a color that was specifically formulated for use on school buses in North America in 1939. It became known officially as National School Bus Chrome. The color was selected because black lettering on that way was easiest to see in the semi-darkness of early morning. The color was selected because it attracts attention and is noticed quickly in peripheral vision, faster than any other color. Scientists describe this as follows: lateral peripheral vision for detecting yellows 1.24 times greater than for red. Question number 8. Who was the last Mughal emperor? Answer: Bahadur Shah Jafar. Bahadur Shah Jafar, also known as Bahadur Shah II, was the last Mughal emperor of India who reigned from 1837 to 1857 for a period of 20 years as the second son of Akbar Shah II and Lalbai. Question number 9. Who invented the ballpoint pen? Answer: Bureau Brothers. Ladies Joseph Bureau, Ladislav Jos Bureau. Question number 10. Why judges break the nib of their pen after passing a death judgment? Answer: the practice is symbolic of the belief that a pen which is used to take away a person's life should not be used ever again for other purposes. In other words, the pen has tasted blood and thus it needs to be broken so that it doesn't take another life. Also, after the judge passes the death sentence, he has no power to review or revoke his order. So once the sentence has been awarded and the judge's signature inked, the nib is also broken, symbolic of the fact that the judge can't cancel or rewrite the judgment if he or she has a change of heart or mind. Considering a humanist approach, the judiciary tries its best to not to award death sentence since the laws are supposed to create a deterrence and not abhorrence in the society by awarding any kind of punishment. Question number 11. Who is called the Light of Asia? Answer: Gautam Buddha. Question number 12. Which bird lays only one egg in 2 years? Answer: Albatross. Question number 13. In which place sour honey is found? Answer: Brazil. Question number 14. Where is ocean with no water? Answer: on a map. Question number 15. Why do some people have dimples? Answer: dimples are caused by the facial muscles called zygomaticus major. Dimples are caused when your facial muscle zygomaticus major is shorter than normal. It pulls on your skin and forms the indentation in your facial skin. Cheek dimples are formed by the double of bifid zygomaticus major muscle. Question number 16. What is the full form of DSLR? Answer: a digital single lens reflex camera, also called a digital SLR or DSLR. Question number 17. When did dinosaurs become extinct? Answer: 66 million years ago. Question number 18. Which is the longest bone in the human body? Answer: femur. Question number 19. What is the full form of ATM? Answer: automated teller machine. Question number 20. What is the rarest blood group? Answer: AB negative.